to give traders direction, to give you a direction, an area of focus. When we were in school, there's this what we say area of focus. That is a place you need to focus, pay attention, because most of the exams will be coming from that side. So that's literally what we do here. I give you an area of focus. I show you where to focus, where the buyers are coming in, where the sellers are coming in, where you need to, focus on and trade, right? With that being said, I really, really came late today. I apologize to all the traders watching me right now. My apologies. I believe that this won't happen again. Okay, it was something important, something I needed to attend to. It was a program I needed to attend to, so I had to just go and do it. All right, so apologies to you if you're watching me right now. Apologies to you, right? Apologies. So I'm not just going to waste time on this one because I've already taken a lot of time. I'm just going to jump on the charts right now and start explaining everything you need to know, the pairs you need to focus on, the directions you need to have, and what you need to, do, right? So we had success last week, okay? We had success last week. Every direction I told you the market was going to go, the market did it, right? The directions on all the pairs. If you doubt me, you can go check. You can go check the part 11 of naked charts. Check the part 11 of naked charts and see for yourself. USD, GBUSD, like everything literally played out. We had good success last week, and this week we will have even better, right? You have to be optimistic. You have to be optimistic, not just not just the skills, right? You have to be optimistic, not just the skills, so that you can, really make impact in this business, right? From the way the prices are moving, we can currently see that we would make a lot of money this week. We would make a lot of, I don't know about you though, but I would make a lot of money this week. I will make a lot of money this week. Okay. There's a big announcement coming in right here. So you make sure you watch this video to the end because I would show you something. There's something I told you that traders are going to love it, right? I told you that a lot of traders are going to love it. Lots of traders are going to love it. You guys are going to love it. Trust me, you're going to love it. I just don't want to waste time. I just don't want to waste time. I would just start, okay? But, your first time here, you know the drill. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, might not see my video again. So subscribe, like the video, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe, like the video, give me a thumbs up, to encourage me in making more video and also boost the algorithm, right? So without even wasting time, I'm just going to start immediately. So we usually start from the DXY, okay? We start from the DXY. We start from the DXY. Nothing much here. DXY broke above, came back, we tested this key level here, as you can see, and that's what it's doing for the month. And the weekly, I told you, if you're paying attention to what we've been doing here, you can clearly see it that everything is working out. I told you that once price breaks above this level, breaks below this level, it tests it. What happened? It tests it, and the next thing we got to sell into this level. And I also told you that when price comes to a support level, what do you do? When price comes to a support level, price usually would react. If that's a valid support level, price will usually react to that support level. Okay, price will react to that support level. So look out for buy opportunity at that support level. All right. Prices at that support level, and from the signs and everything, I saw that price would go bullish, and it did. Now, these things I was doing, these are not predictions, though. It's not prediction. It's not some sort of prediction. It's just pure price action in play. Okay, it's just pure price action in play. There's nothing hard here. There's nothing spiritual. There's nothing too genius here. It's just pure price action, and that is the reason why you need to learn pure price action. You would need to learn pure price action. You need to understand, and I'll be dropping a course. I'll be dropping a course that's going to help you speed you up in pure price action. It's called the PAM course. The PAM stands for Price Architecture Mastery. All right, it's going to give you insight to what trading is really about. It's going to give you insight to what trading is really about. You need to know what trading is really about. So, like I said, I was actually expecting price to touch here and drop. Okay, as you can see, there was this hammer candlestick right here. It just indicated that the price would hit here and drop. That was the indication, right? But this hammer candlestick showed me that market would go bullish, and the market went bullish. This inverted hammer candlestick here told me that the market would sell. I told you on the previous naked chart. I told you on the previous naked chart that this here, we don't just trade candlesticks patterns just like that. We don't just look out for candlestick. Don't worry, you might not understand what I'm saying, but you will understand more when I drop the PAM course. All right, that's going to speed you up. You don't want to miss that for any reason. You're going to understand. See, after that course, some of you will be taking mad risk because, like, the confidence level will be high. Okay, and I also address you on the confidence level when it comes to trading. Overconfidence is not too good. Right, I'm going to address that, but I mean, you're going to understand what trading is about. Citing this candlestick here, is it a valid candlestick? Yes, it's very valid. It's a valid candlestick. Look at this here. Look at this candlestick. It's a valid inverted hammer candlestick right here. It's a valid inverted hammer candlestick. All right, it's a valid inverted hammer candlestick. Yes, valid and everything. But however, it is printed a hammer candlestick, but we are not going to trade that sell. Okay, because it is not happening at the key level. An inverted hammer candlestick happening at the key level is what we're looking at trading. I said it on the previous one. Okay, I said it on the previous one. All right. You understand? Since it was not happening at the key level, I'm not interested in it. Since it's not happening at the key level, I am not going to be interested in that thing. Right? I want this thing to be happening at the key level. So that is why I didn't consider trading that. I didn't consider trading it because it wasn't happening at a key level. So the market went up, retested, and continued. I also told you that on this all the time. I also told you that you understand. I told you that on the previous part of I think that was the part 14. Okay, you see how it works. Then the price broke above this level, retesting it, right? I said it. If you can just go back and check it out, I think I need to be cutting a clip of that and show you guys here. And don't even go anywhere, because I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you there's a big thing I will show you in this video. Okay, there's something big I'll show you in this video, and you traders are going to like it. You guys are going to love it. You're going to love it. You guys are going to love it. You're going to love it. You will love it. You guys are going to love it. You're going to love it. So what happened here? You can see that the structures are going bullish, 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 bullish. Price is broken above this level right now. That is giving bullish vibes. Understand? So we are going to get this guy coming back into this level, right? Because right here, it's the only area that it's valid, right? This is the only valid place to look for buy. Okay, it needs to come back and retest. So if it doesn't come back, you're not trading it. You want to see that continuation, a higher high, a higher low, then a continuation. If it breaks below this level, it needs to come back and retest this level and continue downwards. There's no two ways about it. So we are looking for sell around this level here, right? Above this level, look for buy. If it comes below this level, you look for sell. Simple and short. Right, so that is it. We're still bullish on the US dollars. So if we are bullish on the US dollars, what is going to be our direction on the lower time frame? What is going to be our direction on other pairs when it comes to like the GBPs, the NZDs, the AUDs? What are we going to be looking out for on those pairs? Now, let's start with the GBP USD type of thing, right? Nothing much here, going still bullish. Now, this guy is looking bearish. No more details here. So let's look for the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, I can clearly see that price is at a support level. Bro, this price is at a support level. What can happen here? This guy can decide to go up from here. Okay, so it's a good place to look for bullish opportunities, right? It's a good place to look for bullish opportunities here. For bullish opportunity. But if this guy, right, if this guy decides to buy, then GBP USD will continue selling. All right, GBPUSD is already at a as a support level. All right, resist at a support level. GBPUSD has a chance of buying. You can see this hammer candlestick on the 4 hours. This hammer candlestick, it's a signal that this market would want to consider buying, right? I'm seeing a very huge candlestick stopping at this level. For me, I will look for buy opportunities here. Okay, I will look for buy opportunities here. But however, right, I'm still going to consider the fact that this thing can decide to, sell more, because this is a lot of strength. This candlestick has a lot of strength. If price comes to the resistance level, a support level, and closes with this strength, just like here, this level has held for some days, but this strength candlestick that blew, it didn't even retest. If you can look at this properly, it didn't retest here. It blew below it straight up. That same thing happened here. So, ladies and gentlemen, look for buy opportunities here. If you don't see buy opportunities there, then it's going to be automatically a sell market. But let's see if there's any chance of us getting that buy opportunities right there. On the 1 hour, we already started seeing the reversal signals. Like, it's already giving us the vibe that it's buying. All right, so it's a good one to look for buy at that level. So what's my verdict here? Some traders want to trade, like, regardless. They want to trade. If I tell them wait, most of them, they want to just place trade. They want to just place trade, and they are losing. But look for buy here. Okay, look for buys here. Look for buys here. If you don't see that buy here, then obviously the market will continue that sell. Right. So this is a good place to look for buy opportunities. This is a good place to look for buy opportunities. GBPUSD. Let me do EURUSD because they look alike. Nothing much. Price is going bullish on the monthly. On the weekly, we got price hitting from a minor resistance. Okay. Then on the daily time frame, it's really confirming what we saw there. That simply means that price it's going to go bearish. Right. All I'm seeing here is a bearish movement. So these guys are actually conflicting themselves. Right. This one I'm looking at. There's no resistance level here. There's no support level here. Right. It's just moving down to this point. So with that being said, we are going to be looking for sell opportunities here. Just a little bit of pullback and continuation. But for me, I think I will have to wait for EURUSD and GBPUSD on Monday. Let me just look at their movement. Okay, we have a lot of pairs to trade. I can still break down some other pairs that have something to trade. If there's nothing here, or if there's no trade on Monday, you rest. Okay, if there's nothing on trade on Monday, you rest. Look at exactly what I showed you guys last week. The market did it like the market did it picture perfectly, like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. There were a lot of trades here that you could just trade and kill. The price made all this way to this point. It's looking very good, right? So here, the best place to look for buy is when price comes to this level here, because that is a key level on the daily time frame. It's a very good time. Remember, we don't just trade because we want to trade. We only trade when price gets to key levels. Okay, when price gets to key levels. Key levels are the best place to look for trade, because most times when the price goes high drastically, or with a high volume, price tends to make that kind of movement in situations where price makes this kind of movement at key levels, right? That's where the price makes those kind of movements. So that's where we even we focus on. That's the places we focus on and take trades. Okay, like I said, there's an update that will drop for you on this channel while you're watching. So don't skip, don't leave this live stream. Don't leave this live stream. It's something I will share with you guys, and I know that you guys are gonna love it on this live stream. There's something I'm going to share with you guys. There's something I will show you All of you will love it. Trust me, you're going to love it. You will love it. You will love it. All right. You're going to love what I'm sharing with you on this video. Okay. So don't go anywhere. Watch it to the end. Watch it to the end. Okay. Don't go off. Don't go off. It's for your own good. What I will even be sharing with you, it's going to help you. Right. It will help you a lot. So that's, like I said, that's the right spot to look for opportunity. That's the right spot to look for opportunity. That's the right place to look for opportunities. So, with that being said, let's go to we would go to AUD USD. So AUD USD though. AUD USD, nothing much here. AUD USD has nothing much here. Just a bullish market. AUD is bullish here, then weekly. This guy has been rapidly bullish, like rapidly bullish. And right here it closed. Bro, I'm beginning to see something different here. I'm beginning to see this market. This is the resistance level, and it's the right place to look for sell opportunities. And the price is already giving us the vibe of the bears, the bearish vibes. And as you can see, it has really created a long inverted hammer candlestick. Look at a level I've drawn this level for months. This level has been here for months. Price came and tapped into it and sold immediately. Price just tapped into it and sold immediately. You can see how it works. That's just exactly how it works. Now, what I'm seeing in this market is it's just crazy. Okay, this guy is going bearish. So, what is my verdict here? At least a little pullback and a sell-off. A little pullback into this level here. Either this level or this level for a sell-off. All right, one of these levels can go for a sell-off. One of those levels there, or those Fibonacci levels, the price is going to sell off. So, what is my verdict on AUD USD? It's bearish. My verdict here, it's bearish. My verdict here is bearish. yes, on this one we are going bearish. I'm seeing a bearish market. So GBPUSD, it's a little bit conflicting, right? GBPUSD, then this guy is a little bit also confusing, but I'm seeing a very strong bearish movement, right? Let's see NZD. NZD right here is just going straight bullish on the monthly. On the weekly, what do we have on the weekly? We also have the bearish movement on the weekly, and you can see there's a level here. We do have a level here, so that's the level I'm even looking at this guy to buy from. So it will just continue to sell a little bit. So it's more likely for us to get a little bit more sales into this level here. But if you're looking to buy this market, it should be here. Should be at this key level. You should look for that buy, right? At the key level, you look for the buy. This 1, 2, 3 won't be bad. Look for that buy at the key level. So that's where to look for the buy. Okay. That's where to look for the buys. That's where to look for the buys. That's where to look for the buy. So the next is gonna be the USD pairs, US dollars. So let's start with USJPY for this one, right? Let's start with this. All right, so now this is USDJPY price. It's still bullish on the monthly. On the weekly, we're still having that bullish movement, like I said. All right, if you check the previous live streams, you can see that it's still bullish. I said it was going to go bullish. Then the price did this break. We tested this level here. We tested this one, and it made its move. Price is obviously going bullish, guys. Price is obviously going bullish. This one is not even. So it's not even like this one is not even taking a chill. This guy is heavily bullish. Heavily bullish. Right, and this older guy, we're seeing it like everything is just bullish here. But I'm expecting to get something that looks like a pullback, right? We are going to look for a pullback at least into this level here. So this is where to look for buy opportunities to continue the buys. If it comes into these levels, you look for that buy. Now the best place is to look for the buy opportunity. I think this here is the best place to look for buy opportunity. It's the best place and target this resistance here. So here's the JPY funds. You know what to do now. Once price comes back at this level, look for your bullish opportunity and you're good to go. Right, so USD card, what is USD card doing? USD card is bearish on the monthly. On the weekly, it's still bullish like crazy. Like this is amazing. It's still bullish on the weekly. I'm still expecting more bullish opportunities. Now, it's still bullish though. It's bullish. It's bullish. So we will look for buy opportunities when price pulls back a little bit, right? Price to pull back at least into this level here. Also continue to buy. It's pretty much the same thing with everything. Everything is just look at. In fact, all these USD pairs have one single price action. Like they have one. They move the same. Like they've been moving the same lately. Right? They've been moving the same. This is it. Put his buys here. Big profit at this level here. That is it for USD JPY, USD card, and USD CHF. It's a little bit trickish though. USD JPY, USD CHF. As you can see, close here monthly. This candlestick here, this inverted hammer candlestick, looks like a doji. It's very funny because it shows that the market will go bearish, right? But now if you look at the weekly, you can see that price went bearish, tested and dropped. Now after dropping, price went back up again. Now on the daily time frame, price has gone up again. I was expecting this guy to test this level and sell off, but instead it did what he wanted to do. So our job here is to follow the market and do whatever the market is doing. Simple. Right now it's going bullish. So the only wisdom or the only thing to do here now is to wait for a pullback. No pullback, no entry. No pullback, no entry. Just wait for that sell-off. So Monday might be a selling day. The whole of Monday might just be a selling day to continue the buy on tomorrow from Tuesday. All right, so this is it. That's it for all the major currency pairs. That's it for all the major currency pairs. So we will look out for let's do we're done with currency pairs, the major currency pairs. So now let's do gold for the gold diggers, the people who love digging gold. Let's go and break down gold for them. Look how gold is moving. Gold is bullish on the monthly. Good. Gold is bullish still on the weekly. Gold is selling. Then we do have gold selling still. Gold has made a higher high. Now it's going to make a higher low. So where are we going to look for that opportunities to buy? It will be on this level here. All right, on this level here. On this level here. That is where we look for gold. That's where we look for gold. Obviously, this is what really, like, the signs or the pattern you're seeing here is the same pattern. The pattern you're seeing here is this pattern. That is how this price has even managed to go that much. If you look at this price does this thing every single time. It breaks past a resistance level, it retested it. Just like here, it broke above here, it retested it, went up, came double top here, came back, retested, and continued. Break above, now it's coming back to retested level. So where is the place to look for buy? You look for buy here. If we don't get the buy here, then it will be here. But it's a buying market until this low is taken out. Once this low is taken out, then we start looking for sell up, which once the low is taken out, we start looking for sell opportunities. But like this, it's giving us a buy vibes. Then we do have our guy, the Bitcoin. I have all my analysis on Bitcoin has been amazing, super amazing, because Bitcoin has consistently been going bullish. Like I said, Bitcoin would go bullish and it went bullish. Don't worry, I'm going to come to Bitcoin. But let's deal with US30. For those that like NAS 100, NAS 100 behaves the same way with US30, right? They are both bullish on the monthly and weekly time frame. All right, so look, let me show you something here. Look at something I think I did I teach you guys this thing? Yes, I did it in one of the what is it called again? One of the naked charts. I think was that on the 10th, 11th, around that either 13. Okay, it should be at the 13th naked chart. I showed you how to catch sniper entries, like how to catch sniper entries. Price broke up below this level, came back to retest it. Now I just kept I did the analysis here and kept it. Price came and almost tapped it in, as you can see. Price came here, almost tapped it in. It didn't tap it though, but almost. As you can see how many pips that it skipped, and next thing after tapping there, it dropped immediately. You know I take my profit. I take my profit at key levels. That's where I take my profit. But it went down to the point where it broke it, right? It just broke it and went back up. It is what it is. So it's invalidated. So I'm going to take it out now. But on the monthly, it's bullish. On the weekly, it's bullish still. But like I said last week, if you're following me last week, if you've been following this channel, you should understand that this market was supposed to buy. Okay, after they sell, it will get a buy here. Like I said, if price bounces on this level here, as you can see, price bounces on the level, it's still the same pattern I've been teaching here on this channel. It's the same pattern I've been teaching on this channel. Break, retest, and move on. Like, it's just, that's how price moves. That's the only way price moves. Price doesn't go on a straight line. It just goes and comes back, go, walk, rest, walk, rest, walk, rest, walk, rest. That's how it works. You understand? That's how the market is. That is the nature of what we have here. Okay, that's the nature of everything. That's the nature. So on the daily time frame, let's see what's happening here on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price went all the way down, right? Closed, then we got a bullish candlestick, and the next thing, price tested this level back, and it's making all this move to the upside. So what am I expecting again? Ladies and gentlemen, this price will sell off a little bit, but I'm still expecting a bullish movement. I'm expecting a bullish movement. It will sell off a bit to go grab some orders. Unless we need to get something coming into either one of these levels or this level, then breaking above here, I would still look for bullish opportunities. But for the meantime, for the time being, hold on now. Do not trade on Monday on US 30 or NAS 100. Don't trade and watch what's happened. If it breaks above this level, we'll wait for the retest and continuation. But if price wants to go bullish, we would look for opportunities at this levels, right? At this level or at this level here. At least we look for buy opportunities. But because this here is a resistance level, whether I like it or not, it's a resistance level, whether you feel it or not, whether you feel like it's not. That's your business, because at this level here, that is where orders are placed. As you can see, it has been held for days. It's held for a couple of days and it's sold off. So you want to see this price is actually reject. Look at the strong rejection candlestick. So you want to see some little bit more sell to in area where buyers, have kept their orders for this market to actually buy. Otherwise, it will sell, right? So wait for Monday that thing to happen. Let's go to the Bitcoin guys. The guys who love crypto. Now, this one is for you. You like crypto. Not just crypto though, right? Not just crypto, because this particular Bitcoin controls most cryptocurrencies. Like, it controls most of the cryptocurrencies. You understand? It contains most of the cryptocurrency, control most of the cryptocurrencies. So that's why you see when Bitcoin is bullish, other currency pairs most likely to go bullish. You understand? They move in sync. They move in positive relation, um, positive correlation with the Bitcoin. If you check the previous days, um, the previous naked charts we had on this channel, I said price will go bullish from September. In fact, I said from August it will start going bullish, because it already gave the sign. It's not like I'm saying something that's not happening. It already started giving the signs that it will go bullish. You understand? Because if you look at this, if you look at the way prices move, you can understand that it breaks below, retests, and continues downward. All right, that is the nature of the price. But in this case, right, it closed here, right, made a lower low, lower high. It started stalling around this level here. I knew that it was going to go bullish. I just knew that since it's struggling to go further down, then it will go bullish, right? But now it's looking a little bit uh, trickish, because if you don't understand pure price action, you might get lost in this market. So let me just quickly say something. Let me just quickly show you what's happening here. This is a higher low, a higher high. All right, we've got another higher high, and we've got another higher low here. All right, so even if we look on the lower time frame, you can see that what is happening here. Okay, but now looking at this properly, you can see that there's a problem here. We've got a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Okay, higher high, higher low. Then we got a double top, then price made a lower low. All right, now price needs to sell off a little bit, because if you look at this on this level here, at least one of these levels here, you need to sell off on one of these levels here. The rest started giving the signs from the 61% level, which you can see. This is giving us an inverted hammer candlestick. So it's a high chance of this guy selling off from this level here. Okay, but if you look at this price here, like I said, price doesn't move. If you look at this on the weekly time frame, price doesn't move on a straight line. After making a higher high, it will make a higher low to sell off. Then if you look at this time frame here, you see that it moved high, uh, made a higher high, higher low, right? Now a higher high, a higher low, and now it made a higher low here, then made a lower low. So you should automatically be expecting a little bit of sell off. You understand? We're expecting a little bit of sell-off. This is a little bit of sell-off. The market needs to sell off a little bit, right? It needs to sell off a little bit. A little bit. It needs to sell off a little bit. So at least come to this level, then you might look for buy here. Just look for buy here. But I believe that if this market breaks this level here, if it breaks this level here, the next thing I will expect is here and continuation downward a little bit, right? But that is pretty much what I'm expecting here on Bitcoin USD, right? That's pretty much what I'm expecting on BTC USD. That is what I'm expecting on Bitcoin USD. So if you got some questions you want me to answer, okay. Before I said I was going to show you something you're going to like. I said I'm going to show you something you're going to like. You guys are going to like on this video. I said I'm going to show you something you're going to love on this channel. You're going to love it, right? Your questions, drop it. Before I show you what I told you I'm going to show you, have questions, drop those questions right now in the comment section. All right. So any comments or you want me to break down any pair for you, just go ahead and make that. Okay, I got the first question here. It says, sir, how do you take trades from these levels? I actually don't understand it fully, okay, because the way I take my entries, right? I don't fully understand this question, but are you trying to say how do we take the entries from the levels, or you're talking about something else? Are you asking on my entry model? Is that what you're asking? Okay, so to answer your question, regardless, let me let you know how I take entries. Okay. So how I take entries are simple. It is simple. Now, if you look, there's a video already made for that. Like I already made a video on my entries. Go on and just check it out right now. All right. There's a video I already made for that one, but I'm going to do practically show you how it works now. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to use an example of other other let me use an example of something that's happened before, so that you can probably know. Now let me use the DXY. So this is how to take a trade here. All right, this is how to take a trade here. How to take a trade. Now, if I'm telling you that I already have a video for it. I already have a video for it. There's a video already made for this, but I'm just showing you this right here. So what do you want to do? You will first of all, like in this case right here, okay, let me just use gold, right? What it's simple, you understand? Entries are usually simple. The main thing is getting direction. The main thing is getting the direction of the market. Once you get the direction of the market, it's simple as that, right? Now, what you want to do first is this. Two things, you understand? Now, you want to wait for price to come on the 1 hour time frame, to come and drop at that level. You feel me? Price need to come and close at that level. Now, regardless of the candlestick pattern, if you go to a lesser time frame, you would see what's happening. So what I would first of all do is simple. I wait for price to come to that key level, like in this case, and close. Once price closes at that key level, now let me just show you this right here. This is the first candle that closed here. All right, the first candle that closed here, and this here is the second candlestick that closed here. Right. Once price closes at that level confidently, this is what I'll first of all look at. This is the second candlestick. Right. Once price closes at that level, you will go to a lesser time, like the 15 minutes time frame. Now, what are you doing on that 15 minutes time frame? You're looking at how it closed. You can see that price came 1, 2, 3, stopped here. Now, if it's not clear, you go down again. It's simple, just simple. Keep it simple, right? You go down again. If you look down again, you can see the structures. Now, the reason why I'm going down to lesser time frames, so I can see structures. I want to see higher highs and higher lows. Now, in this bearish scenario, the price is making lower lows and lower highs. So, and if you look at this here, I'm not seeing clear structure. If you look at this, there's no clear structure. I want to see a clearer structure. I'll go to the 5 minutes now. If you go to lesser time frame like this, you would see something. You will see a clearer structure like this. It's clearer now. You can see how price is making this structure. Look at price. What price is doing here? You can see that price is making lower low. You can see price made a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low, double top here, and a break. But now this is it. This is it. Now after watching this live stream, after you're on this live stream, please go back and watch my videos. Go back, watch my videos. It's going to help you a lot. Honestly, what I teach here, people pay for them. All right. I'm still going to be showing you a course, right? I'm still going to be providing you guys a course. I'm going to be providing a course for you. All right. It's going to be available here, free of charge. Not that I can't sell this course. Don't get me wrong. Not that like selling courses are bad. A lot of people sell courses, but I mean, It is not bad selling the course in the first place, but it's something I want to do for the community. It's something I want to do for my subscribers. It's a selfless service. Do you know what it means to create years of hard work? Your years of hard work suffer after blowing different accounts, and you manage to become profitable, and you're sharing all your knowledge. They pay for it. A lot of people pay lots of money to get it. But here I want to be giving it to you freely. So the least you can do, the best thing you can do is to subscribe right now. Give me a thumbs up. It's difficult to do this, it's sacrificial, right? But I'm doing it, giving it out here. So what you can do for me there right now is just subscribe, give a like, and at least drop a word of encouragement in the comment section. It's going to help me a lot. It's going to like make me feel okay, this thing is really, really working, right? Really, really helping. So now I'm looking at two things. I'm looking at structure. Okay, first thing, I'm looking at structure. Price is making lower lows and lower highs. I want to see a higher high, not just placing trend lines. Okay, I want to see a higher high. I want price to break above a high so I can consider that thing a bullish trend. Right, in this case, prices were making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Then lower high. A break above the previous high will confirm an entry. That's the first structure I'm looking at. Now, the next thing is I'll pull out my trend line here, connect all the highs, swing highs. So you can see that this market, it's giving me a sweet vibe. Breaking above this trend line is number one signal. Number two signal, it's breaking above this high. That's number two signal. The number three signal is the fact that it's happening at the support level. That is vital. If it's happening at the support level, that is vital. The number four is we are in sync. We are in line with the overall trend. These are just four confluences you need. Number one, the structure, because structure is king. Number two, it needs to be happening at the support level. Number three, it's breaking above a trend line. And number four, it's following a higher time frame alignment. Price is following a higher time frame alignment. That means we have all the time frames are telling us we should buy. You understand? There's no conflict in the direction of the market. The market is bullish. Everything is bullish. Then we buy. You don't want to be selling when the market is telling you buy. You understand? So that with that being said, price just broke above everything, defiling everything. And what you want to do is you enter, place your stop loss at the previous low. Now, this thing, you want to watch this video again and again until you understand this thing. After when I'm done, go back to this video and watch it again and again until you understand this entry method. Then what you need to do is you target the previous the high, the overall high that was created. This is the level that was created. You target the high and lock in profits. And once you price gets to that level, you can even hold more. After closing here, you hold more, just lock in. You can break even at this point here. You can break even at this point. Once price gets to this level, that might be your target. You might just take this 1 to 3 and close, but you might just get to this level and break even. Like move your stop loss to this point. You've locked in what you need to lock in and watch how price moves. In this case, price even added 1.5 more to you, almost 5, almost 1 to 5. Okay, you add whatever it gives you. Now that is how to enter. I believe that this is repeatable over and over and over and over again. You understand? It is repeatable over and over and over again. It is repeatable over and over and over again. So, any more questions? You should grab this right now. When I'm done with this video, come back and watch this thing, understand it. If you don't understand it, you cannot make money. You understand? He said, thank you very much, sir. I understand it better now. That is the goal of this channel. Okay, I want to see you understand it better. Okay. Somebody said DXY is buying, but we are buying EU and GU. Any explanation? Right? Okay, so I'm going to explain something right here. The DXY, let's go back to the charts. If you look at DXY, okay, let's look at this DXY. DXY, it's obviously going bullish, no doubt about that. We want DXY to sell off. You understand? We want DXY to sell off. Now, this sell off itself, it's not just going to sell off just like that. The whole sell off might happen in one day. You understand? It might take one full day to sell off. But EU, look at EU. EU is almost at this level. EU can just buy immediately. The market has already opened though. EU can just drop here and buy immediately. Why DXY it's selling? Okay, EU can be buying just immediately. Now, once price gets to a support level, in this case, you can see that GU is at the support level. We look for buy at that level. You understand? If it's too conflicting, then you can just say, okay, you leave that pair, you leave GU, or you just leave all the pairs first on Monday. We have almost up to 250 trading days in a year. Leaving only Monday will not take the money. Like, there will always be opportunities in the market every damn day. Okay, there will always be opportunity in the market every day. So if you leave Monday, it's going to still do you a lot of good. All right, going to still do you a lot of good. So that is just how it is. Now, to complete it up, like to add it up for you, to add this thing up, okay, just to add it up. We don't buy, like I said, buy EU or buy GU. We don't buy because we want to buy. We want to buy when there is a trade opportunity. You must do something with confirmation. If price comes at that level or this support level right here on EU or GU, if it comes to support level and give us a hammer candlestick and then breaks above the high, we enter the trade, regardless of how you feel or anything. Okay, you just break and enter because that's confirmed us. It has confirmed that we are going bullish. It is absolutely bullish. It has said bullish, bullish, bullish. Okay, we do it with confirmation. If it comes there, that is just how it is. That is trading for you. You understand? This guy said my biggest entry is my biggest problem is entry. Now I've already showed you this video. When I'm done with this video, go and watch my other videos, and most especially watch this one again, this live stream. Give yourself time and watch the video again. You understand? Watch the video again. You will understand it well. And just use that entry. There's nothing difficult there. It's simple. Everybody can use it. Like literally everybody. Okay. So, and you just made it simple for me. God bless you. Amen. Amen. So with that being said, I told you guys that I'm going to give you something. I'm going to share something on this live stream with you guys. I said I'm going to be sharing something that you guys are going to love. You're going to love it. You will love it. Okay? You will love it. You will love it. You will love it. You will love it. So, this is it. Right here and now, ladies and gentlemen. Look at what is happening right here. Look at what is happening right here. look at what is happening right here. I just created a group, a Discord group. Now, what are we going to be doing on this Discord? Please, you need to pay attention. You guys need to pay attention right now. Now, what you want to do on this Discord, listen. Okay. Now, this Discord here, it's going to be doing a lot of things to traders. It's going to be doing a lot of things to traders. All right. Now, because you see, trading, it's usually a boring thing. Like, imagine you're staying, you don't have anybody to talk to, you have questions, and you don't have anybody to ask, and now you have a community of traders. You have a community, like a family of traders, where you need to talk to, right? You need to talk to, ask questions, because most of the things you've gone through, a trader like you have gone through that thing anywhere. You're not alone. Just know it that you are not alone. You are not alone in whatever you're doing. You are not alone. The challenges you have, somebody has gone through that challenges. Somebody has made it. All right. Somebody has succeeded from that thing. So this channel right now, this Discord right now here, it's going to help you. Number one, have a family you can interact with, have where you need to talk to friends, like you need to make friends, make real friends, like traders, meet the fellow traders, and talk to them and be like, okay, this is what I'm going through. Can you help me? Or can you suggest what I do? All right. Can you suggest to me what I need to do? Now, this here, you're going to be getting real-time discussion. You'll be discussing with traders all over the world. All right. I'll be active on the Discord too. Right. You're going to be meeting traders all over the world, talking to them, getting to understand how they analyze. Now, you can analyze yourself and show me what you have on the Discord group. Okay, you can show us what you have, the pairs you're looking at, right? The pairs you are looking at, you show us your watch list. You can just show us real-time discussion. We have your trade ideas. I'll be posting my trade ideas, the pairs and the entries I'm taking. I'll be posting it on the Discord group. Now, you're getting exclusive contents and resources. You get a supportive community, a community where you can talk to somebody and somebody replies to you back. Like, it's going to be a thing that you connect, you learn, and you grow with other traders. You grow together. All right. You grow together. Right. Now, for this here, there are do's and don'ts. Please take note. There are do's and don'ts. Here, we are not here to banter words or maybe insult anybody, or talk about become racist or something like that. All of those things. This particular Discord, please go well to the welcome section. There's a welcome section right there. There's a welcome section. That's the first place you check, and go and look at the rules. You understand? Look at the rules we have there. We have rules where you don't bully anybody. If somebody asks you a question, be nice. We are here to learn from other traders. Okay, you can learn from other traders, not just only me. You can learn from other traders. Now, you can join this group regardless if you're a pure price action trader. But I teach pure price action and we trade pure price action. Right? That you can join. If you're an ICT trader, it's cool. Just come up. You can analyze, share your bias, and you can just learn from each other. You can just learn from everybody you want to learn. So there are 4 rules there. There are 4 rules, and I'm just going to read them out right here for clarity's sake. The number 1, no financial advice or signal guarantee. Don't come there and tell somebody I'm going to sell you a signal or anything. You understand? So let me read the number 1. Do not sell signals or guarantee outcomes. You understand? You don't come there and guarantee outcomes. I'm going to make $20,000 for you. You can do this. No, no, no. We are there to learn. You understand? You're coming there to meet other traders. Request. You understand? Now, no begging of money for financial support. We focus on pure price action, trading, and discipline, not financial prediction or quick fixes and quick make money scheme. We are not coming there to make money fast. There's nothing like making money fast on Forex. If you're learning, if you want to learn, you come in and you learn. You understand? Not no make money fast, no Ponzi scheme or chatting somebody and saying something else apart from trading. It's trading we are doing right there. You understand? It's trading. Now, on the second rule, it's called zero tolerance for spam, pitching, or self-promotion. You don't come and start posting referral links, promoting yourself, or advertising personal profit affiliate codes or links or anything. No external recruiting of group members. You don't come there and start telling them to come and join your own and stuff like that. No self-promoting. Listen, those things would incur immediate ban out of the Discord group, because we are there. You're there to learn. Okay. Now the number 3 is respect the trading flow. Maintain professional, constructive dialogue in all text and voice channels. Toxic behavior, harassment, bullying, insult, hate speech, political debate, or sexism, or persistent negativity will not be tolerated. Okay, just take note. You understand? We're not coming there to bully each other. We are there to build a family. If somebody is not getting a particular entry correct, teach them. Tell them, okay, if you do like this, I think your entry will get better. You understand? Come back and reflect on this video. You understand? So if you don't understand the rules, come back here and read this thing. Listen to this live stream again. Then the number 4 rules is DM / impersonating warning. Now, I don't want to situation where somebody would change their picture to mine or something like that and go to chat somebody else, telling them to offer them money for something or sell something to them. Please, I will not DM you first. I will not message you first. I'm not asking for your. I've not ever since I started the channel. I've not asked anybody for any money for any signal, any investment or anything or any account management. Do not give anybody your account to manage for you. That is fraudulent. Anybody that tells you that, hey, I want to manage your account without licensing, without proper licensing from the government, it's a fraud. You understand? It's a fraud. Please stay guided. You understand? I will never DM to ask for all of those things, the private keys or sell or any of those things or copy trading or all those things. I will not message you first to ask you all those things. You understand? Anybody that tells you or adds you up just like that, it's a scam. And please, I don't want you to come in there and start exchanging your phone numbers with people and all of that just to, with an ulterior motive of, selling whatever or extorting money for them. Please, let's keep the trading flow respected. You understand? Let's keep it respected, and that is all. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing it on the Telegram group right now. As I'm talking right now, I'm posting it on the Telegram group. So if you're on the Telegram, you can join the Discord, and once you join the Discord, check the welcome section, read everything completely, read everything properly, and get noticed, so stay updated with what is happening. Read everything, the 3 steps to get started. Go there, read them, look the guidelines, the community guidelines, read them, and you come to the main chat room and connect to people, share your chats. You understand? And we also have the update and announcement section where I would usually post naked charts, updates, my trade ideas I look out for, what I'll be looking out for the week, the particular pair I'll be trading for a day. I'll be posting it right there. So to know the pair I'm trading that day, if you want to know the pair I'm trading tomorrow or what I'm doing tomorrow, join the Discord right now. It's going to help you because you're going to be meeting a lot of traders, learn and get a family you can interact with. And you can also post your trading journals. You understand? Your trade journals, post your trading journals, and anything with regards to trading will be fine. You understand? Everything with regards to trading would be fine. So with that being said, with that being said, that's the Discord right there in the Telegram group. Okay. Check the description right there and get to join it. Let me just quickly post it on the channel right on the Telegram right now. Because you want to have a team. All right. I just posted it on the Telegram group right now. So I just posted it right now on the Telegram group. You can just go and join right now. You can just go and join right now, read the terms and conditions, the community guidelines, and become a member. You can share your trading, your charts, your setups, and everything, trade ideas, and have a crew of persons to, chat with and talk to. That's a person that understands it. I just posted it right now. So You can go watch it. You can go join the Discord right now. Okay. Okay, somebody said we should do gold for them. We should do gold. Gold, gold, gold. All right. Okay, I'm going to break down gold right now. All right, let's break down gold for them. Let's break down gold for the community. Let's break down gold right about now. Okay, you say your own question, go ahead and ask a question. Now, look at gold from the monthly time frame. Going back to your question though. Gold is bullish, right? Gold is bullish. Weekly, gold made a high. That's good. Now, on the daily time frame, that's where things start getting interesting. Gold just made a higher high. Right here, made a higher low and made a higher high. Now, we're expecting gold to test here and continue going bullish. That is the law of price action. After a higher high, automatically without prediction, we're expecting a higher low. So this higher high here, a higher low, and the best place to look for opportunity to buy is at this level here, either this level here or this level here. But there's a high chance of this guy respecting this level because this level was respected 1, 2. You understand? This is like a double top right there. It couldn't break past the first time. It couldn't break past the second time. Now broke past the third time and came back right about that level. So I'm expecting to get a buy there. I'm expecting to get a buy here. So gold, I'm looking at buying gold right about now. Okay, I'm looking at buying gold from this level. I'm not buying gold from this level, right? So we're looking out for bullish opportunities right there on gold. On gold, right? You can see for yourself. Looking at that bullish opportunity on gold. So there's a lot of pips right here for this guy. He's going to even go up a little bit and make a high. So that's the target. So gold has been dissected for you. One question, somebody said, one more question. I've got one question for you. Feel free, ask your question. And now he said something. He said, are you a swing trader? No, sir. I am not a swing trader. I'm a day trader. I am a day trader. I prefer taking trades for one day. I want to get that result. Like I want to lose on one day. I don't want to hold up to trade and take a long time to lose one particular trade. Nope, that's not for me. No. If I'm winning now, I want to win now. Okay. That's my personality. You understand? And that's the way I work. If I'm asking a girl out, I go to ask the girl out. Just tell me, give me an answer, just straight up answer. Like, I want to get the answer straight up. I don't want to start, following you up for days, months. No, I don't have that patience. I ask you out and you don't give me any positive reply as a lady. Like, I just ask you out. I don't say anything that wants to make me continue. I don't have that patience to come back and come back again, asking you out again and again. No, I do not have such patience. I prefer once I ask you out, if you like me, work with me. If you don't like me, on to the next one. You feel me? So that's me. That's me as a person, right? That's me as a person. And that lifestyle also translated. That's the kind of person I am, and that personality has transferred into the charts. That personality has transferred into the chart. Into the chart. Feel me? That personality is transferred into the chart. It is transferred through the chart. So since it's transferred to the charts, and that's me. So I don't have that patience to hold through it for months, weeks. I don't have that patience. Like my guy just said here, I said, win or loss, let everything be within one day. So any more questions you got to ask, any more questions you have to ask, go on, feel free. And you can also drop in the comment section where you're watching me from, so I can drop a shout out to your country, your people, so we can give a shout out to them, give a holla at all your people. They said, like, you do analysis every day. Like today, I just do my analysis like today, right? I've done my analysis today. So, with that being said, from tomorrow, I'll be working up with what I have here. You understand? There's no point doing analysis every day in the first place, though. Like, just look at your charts. What I did now will be either invalidated tomorrow or next tomorrow. If this market on gold is valid, this market on gold is valid, it would just buy and continue buying. There's no need to do more analysis. Just stack it up. The higher high, higher lows. That's how we just keep going. If it's going bullish, it's going bullish. Big shout out to somebody from Uganda. Big shout out to Ugandans, all my Ugandan friends. If you're watching me from Uganda right now, big shout out to you. I respect your time. I value your time around my channel, okay? Big love to Ugandans, right? Wherever you're watching me from, you can make a comment and let me know where you're watching this live stream from. Then I do have my brother right here in Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian though. Some people even think I'm a Black American because of the way I talk, the way I speak. I'm a Nigerian, okay? That's what education can do for you. I'm a Nigerian though. So my brother, big shout out to you. Big shout out to you. Where exactly are you? Are you in? Are you what tribe? What tribe? What tribe? You can just put your tribe there too. Let me just give a shout out to that tribe. You understand? Abdul Salamad. I get it right. Abdul Salamad. That's like an Arabic pronunciation. Abdul Salamad. Abdul Salamad Sanusi. Big shout out to you. You're my brother from another mother. You in Nigeria. Big shout out to all my Nigerian people, all the Nigerian fans. We do have big shout out to every one of you. Big shout out. Very big shout out. Okay. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to you. Where are you watching this live stream from? You can make a comment of where you're watching. Okay, we do have somebody from Kenya right here. We do have somebody from Kenya. The 𝐓𝐫𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐞𝐝. 𝐓𝐫𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿 from Kenya. 𝐓𝐫𝐿𝐿𝐿 is from Kenya. So big shout out to all of my Kenyan fans, Kenyan lovelies, Kenyan booties. Big shout out to you. 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 Much love from you. I really respect your time you've taken out here to learn, and you're watching it to this point. It simply means you want to learn. You want to learn more. You want to be successful. That is what it means. You want to be successful. You want to be a profitable trader. Trust me, you are going to make a lot of money this week. You're going to be a successful trader. Okay? Just lock in. All right? Lock in right about now. Go back to my videos and lock in. Go back to my video and lock in. Watch from the episode 1 to the episode 3, the part 1 to the part 3 of this. All right, watch from the part 1 to the part 3 of naked charts. It's gonna help you a lot. It's gonna help you a lot, right? It's gonna help you a lot. Can go lock in. Like, if you give yourself time, bro, just don't rush. There are ingredients. There are certain ingredients of a successful trader. You feel me? There are ingredients of a successful trader. Every successful trader you see, number one, they give trading time. It is not a get rich quick scheme. You understand? Give it time. Study, lock in, watch the videos, take down points. You understand? Every successful trader you see, they locked in at some point. They gave it time. They sat down. They learned and learned and learned. They stayed grinded with the chart. They stayed grinded. Once you are grinded, you're good to go. Just be grinded. Feel me? Just be grinded. That's all. You have enough knowledge. Every successful trader have enough knowledge. When it comes to strategy, you need to have a tool. You feel me? You need to have a tool. Now, the tool comes in certain ways. You need to know how to analyze, take your entry and exit. That is the first side. Now, the second side is every successful trader has one thing again, and that is called risk management. If you want to be a successful day trader, swing trader, or scalper, you want to first focus on managing your risk. Okay, you don't want to risk everything you've made in your life or your life savings on just one trade. It will hurt you. Feel me? It's gonna hurt you. It is gonna hurt you. Okay, it will hurt. So do not risk all on one trade. Now, the number 3 thing that is very, very important as far as trading is concerned is psychology. Your psychology is supposed to be top notch. Don't mess with your psychology. Feel me? Do not mess with your psychology. You need to exercise a lot of patience. That is psychological. Take away FOMO, fear of missing out on a trade, because there's going to be a lot of um, trade every day. There's going to be a lot of trade every day. Now, over trading, revenge trading. Don't stop over trading. If you don't see anything on the chart, you're not trading. You're not trading. Profitable traders, professional traders are patient traders. Okay, we have a lot of patience. If we don't see anything on the chart, we don't bother trading. Like me, if I don't see anything on the chart, I do not even bother opening the chart. Because from there, you start thinking of what to do. You want to do something, you want to press something, you want to do something, you want to take a low probability trade. Wait, exercise patience and go do something else, guys. Do something and get better. Like, that's just the way trading is. Your greed, control your greed. You cannot make all the money in the market one day. So calm down. Fear. Don't be scared. If you see something on the chart, trade it. If you don't see anything on the chart, leave it. Simple. This trading is not like it's just what it is. Like what I'm saying here is just what it is. There's nothing else. You feel me? There is nothing else on this thing. If you wake up in the morning, you don't see the opportunity, you leave. You wake up in the morning, you see the opportunity, you place the trade. That's it. Place the trade and rest. You wake up in the morning, you don't see the opportunity, you leave it. You wake up in the morning, you see opportunity, you place the trade. Press the fucking buy. Just press the fucking buy. Just click the buy. Bam. You see it, click the buy. Bam. You see the sell, click the sell. Bam. If you don't see anything, leave it. You understand? So my brother here, from another mother, his name is Fred Dankwa. Fred Dankwa Akwaba. Fred Dankwa. As a Ghanaian name. Dankwa. Big shout out to my Ghanaian fans. Big shout out to Ghanaians watching me all over the world. Big shout out to Ghanaians, all my Ghanaian friends out there. Big shout out to you. One love. I love you guys. You understand? I really want to get people telling me like, hey, your teaching has made me a better trader. What you taught me, I've used it. I've passed my profit challenge. I've used it. I've made money. I've just like, I want to be hearing those testimonies. Okay, that's why I want you guys to lock in. Okay, I want you guys to lock in. I want you guys to lock in. You understand? I want to be hearing Ghanaians telling me that my teachings are changing their lives, making them better traders. Okay. I mean, if you lock in, there's no how you will lock in for the next 3 months, watching my videos back to back, you will not make money. See, if you start watching my videos on now, for the next 3 months, you're locking. I want to understand this trading thing. You lock in, you watch the videos back to back. There is no how you will do that for 3 months. You will not become a better trader. There is no how. It is not possible. Feel like I'm not bragging. I'm not trying to say, because you're going to understand that trading shouldn't be that hard. You understand? Trading is hard though. Don't get it wrong. Trading is hard, but the way I break it down, you're going to see the simplicity, the simple side of trading. You understand? The simple side of trading. So big shout out to all my Ghanaian fans. Do I have people from South Africa? South Africa, I love South Africa, but I love Ghana too. All the African countries here, I love every one of these people. Like, bro, I love South Africans, especially their women. Their women are beautiful. I love Ghanaians. Their men are handsome, and Ghanaian women are beautiful, very beautiful, heavily endowed. Uganda, almost everybody in Uganda is beautiful. Almost all the women in Uganda are loaded. They are heavily endowed, front and back, heavily. Kenyans, absolutely beautiful people. You know, even their men are beautiful. Like their men are very handsome, their women look very beautiful. Like everything is just looking so super. Very soon, by next year, guys, listen, by next year, I'll be visiting all of these African nations. I want to travel Africa before going to Europe. I want to travel Africa before going to Europe. Right? I want to travel the whole of Africa before going to Europe or Asia or any other Australia, any other countries. You understand? I want to, first of all, and mid-year next year, mid-year around August, mid-year, I will be touring the whole of Africa. Like I will take this forex trading to almost everywhere in Africa. So very soon you will hear me coming to your city. I'm coming to just mark this video. I'll be coming to your city to shut it down. Right? I'll be coming to your city to shut your city down, to alleviate a lot of you. Like in city, each city, I'm gonna come there, shut it down, show you guys how to trade. Come there, shut it down, show you guys. Like I will tour the whole of Africa by next year. Right? Then I do have another person here said from Warri. This is a Nigerian guy, Gideon, OMZ. Gideon. Big shout out to you, Gideon. Big shout out to you, Gideon. Much love to you, my brother, from another mother. Big shout out to you, Gideon. I would be coming to Warri. I will come to Warri. I think I will start, if I want to start touring, I'll start from Nigeria. I want to tour the whole of Nigeria. The peaceful side, though. The peaceful side. You understand? I don't want to go to where they are shooting guns and all of those things. I don't want to go where, I have a lot of money now, and I'll still make more money. I don't want to endanger my life. You understand? I want to live long enough to enjoy my money, and I want to live long enough to impact to other people. You understand? I want to impact to other people. You're watching this video right now. I love what you're doing right now in the comment section, and also a lot of people are subscribing too. As they're watching, they're subscribing. God bless you for subscribing. More subscriptions. You can also like the video. That's a way of encouraging me. You can also like the video, right? Just hit the like button. 7 people are watching right now at this moment. As at now, 7 people are watching, and I have 3 likes. Now the 7 people just like the button. Hit the like button. Like the video. Like right now. Like right now. Like right now, like the video, like, hit the like button. God bless you. Start hitting it. Start hitting like button. Hit the like button. Hit like button. Hit like button. Hit the like button right now. Somebody said, another thing, sir. Still Gideon, he said, another thing. Please do a video for risk management. I will do a video for risk management, though. I will do a video for that, and that will be coming inside the Palm course, right? You know what the Palm course is available for everybody here on YouTube. Everybody. That YouTube is available to you. You understand? It's available to you. You can just go there and watch it. 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 Go and watch it. It's available on YouTube here for everybody, right? It's going to be dropping soon from next month, and from September. Start expecting the Palm course. It's going to be a life-changing course, and it's going to rewrite the history of trading, right? So I'm going to teach specifically on, I will dedicate a section on YouTube showing you how to do risk management, what risk management is about. Somebody said he doesn't have capital to trade, to start. You don't need capital to start. Abdul Salah Ahmad Sanusi, you don't need capital to start. From the way you sounded, I know that you're just starting. So, but you don't need capital to start trading. What you need is knowledge. You need to stay behind it. Lock in with my videos. Lock in, stay down my videos. Make sure you understand it. Understand, get your strategy, get analysis, and get entry, get everything needed. Go and practice it on demo. Once you're doing it with demo, write down everything you did, how you took the trade, your analysis and everything. before you coming back to trading. You understand? There are competitions on funded nest available free. If you win, if you prove yourself there, they'll give you $100,000 account for absolutely free. But from next year, or maybe let's say October or maybe November, I'll be giving out 5K accounts to traders too. I'll be doing that kind of giveaway to my subscribers. Okay, so that's why you need to stay tuned. You need to subscribe. You need to join the Discord. I just dropped it right now. It's in the description of this video. You will see it right there. Okay, let me just I think I've pinned it. Right, I've pinned it. So somebody said we should do NZD/USD. So let's just quickly do NZD/USD for them, for him. Let's do NZD/USD. What is it? What is up with NZD/USD? NZD/USD, I'm looking for bullish opportunity. I need this guy to break to this level here and continue upwards. But it might decide to go up from there, though. It might decide to go up from there. And decide to go up from there before coming down. So you just have to watch and see what the market did. Now this is a lower low. This market can come back to this level here before even taking off selling and coming out to buy. But I make sure that when I'm going to buy, I want to buy at this level here, or buy at the key level. That is what I'm trying to say. To make sure that trade is a quality trade, make sure you're doing that thing at a key level. You shouldn't be doing that thing at any point, right? So this is my analysis here on this guy. NZD/USD was fantastic last week. It was just fantastic. If you understood market structure, you understand, be able to trade it last week. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. The course is going to be dropping. You're going to need it, of course. Okay. It's a life-changing course. It's a life-changing course. It's a life-changing course. So. Any more questions or any more questions? 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 If you've not told me where you're watching from, do that right about now. You can show me where you're watching me from. Next see we'll be touring. Next we'll be going on a tour. Starting from Africa. Yeah, I did said something about funds. You need to have enough knowledge first before you're looking out for funds. You need to have enough knowledge. It is not the first thing to start with. Because if you just go start without knowledge, you're probably going to share your money. Your money, you're going to be giving it out to these guys, your brokers, to the profit people. Understand? Yes, fundedness have free competition. Or there are other problems also having that. There are problems that have that thing too. You understand? Fundedness prop firm, they give free competition for traders to prove themselves. You understand? You need to come prove yourself, right? So how do you prove yourself when you don't have what to prove? That's why you need to learn. You need to start with knowledge first. Stay grinded. Get everything correctly before you make the move upwards. Alright? So when you start with fundedness competition, you prove yourself there. You understand? You prove yourself there. If you win, they're going to give you 100K challenge free. You understand? There are other pro firms there. You know, there are other pro firms. I've heard of one pro firm. Even if you win or you didn't win, they will still give you like 5K accounts for free. So you can go search the pro firm and use it. But on my Discord, on my Discord I posted the 3 pro firms I'm using. Like I have I have more than that though. But the ones I recommended for you, the pro firms I recommended, what I recommended for you is there. You can go and see my recommended brokers, recommended pro firms, the ones I trust. You understand? The ones that actually pay traders. That's the one I would recommend to you. The one I've used. And I've seen that this one is reliable. That's the only one I would, recommend you to. That's the only one I'll say, go and try it out. You understand? If I have not used it, I will show you. So it's out there. You can go check it out on the Discord group. It's on Discord. And it's also, I think, on the Telegram. Okay, I also need to make an official post on Telegram and show it to you. So you know the places, the people I trust, right? You can join this Discord right now to get acquainted with other traders. Okay. The Discord will help you, give you a family, trading buddies. People you can trade with. You can share your charts, your trading ideas, your trading journals and everything, your watch list, interact with traders all around the world. That is the goal of having that, creating this Discord. All right, so but first make sure that you read the community guidelines and rules. You understand? So you don't go against the rules. Very important. All right, so in the absence of no questions right about now, nobody's asking any question anymore. That means I'm a good teacher. Feel me? That means I'm a good teacher. That means I'm a good teacher, right? I've broken down everything everybody needs. And so in the absence of no questions, I would be leaving you guys right here. Or do I stay small? Do I stay a while? Do I stay small? Because I'm getting tired. You know, I've been talking for like 2 hours now. I've been talking for like 2 hours now. I've been talking for like 2 hours. 2 hours right now. 2 hours. Somebody's asking, what is the name of the strategy? For now, it's called pure price action. Pure price action. Pure price action. Pure price action. That's PPA. Pure price action. That's the methodology we are applying on this thing. But I'll be dropping the PM's course. The PAM course will be dropping soon. From next month, start expecting it. It's going to be a fully kitted video. Well detailed. Will speed you up from amateur to professional. To speed you up from amateur to professional. A well detailed course that will speed you up. That will change the way you trade forever. You understand? It will change the way you trade forever. A lot of people are going to be profitable. Trust me. A lot of people. A lot. So, with all that being said, let me have a good rest. Let me rest a little bit, and so I can wake up early to trade tomorrow. Right. For now, bye-bye, and see y'all tomorrow. Do have a successful week ahead. I pray that all of you experience I pray that all of you experience. I pray that all of you experience a profitable week this week. You all are going to have a profitable week this week. It's going to be a successful week for you and me. Successful week ahead. So, see you guys. Same time, same place next week. Same time, same place next week. All right. And that's the part 16 of Naked Charts. Right. Bye bye tonight. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I don't even feel like leaving you guys. I love you guys. I don't feel like leaving you guys. But I have to leave. I gotta leave. Feel me? I gotta leave. I don't feel like leaving you guys, but I gotta leave. I do not feel like leaving you guys, but I got to leave. Because no more questions are coming, so let me leave. That means I'm a good teacher. Right? Gotta leave. See you guys next week on the part 16 of Naked Charts. Bye bye for now.